So troops, good afternoon. I hope all of you are having a very nice day, right Dad? Hi Dad.
Hello.
What we're currently, yeah, good afternoon, my dad said. So what we're currently doing is we're trying to gather some views here in our area in Mactan, and we're gonna do some content about it. Just take a look and relax and enjoy the video. If you take a look at here in Barangay Agus, troops, here in Mactan, you can see lots of very green vegetation here. And not only that, you can see vegetation very green without pollution, troops. So again, if you're from anywhere around the world, I highly recommend you try visit Philippines here, especially in Lapu-Lapu City. Now, if you take a closer look here, troops, you can see Coco Sugba or red cocoa. From here, you can try to dine and have a steak for lunch or dinner. I recommend you try the red cocoa, guys. Very delicious. And if your trip or if you're up to resorts, then you can visit J Park Island. This is actually a very nice resort with a casino here. Also very clean and unpolluted place. Very nice place to chill. You can also see another green vegetation here in Soong, and also a shoe repair shop. And if you take a look, troops, on the left, you can see City Hall and right Mactan.
Dito mga katrops, makita natin ang iba't ibang paninda ng mga tao dito sa tagiliran ng daanan.
And also a barber shop, troops. Barber shop.
Dito mga katrops, makikita natin ang abandonado na subdivision. Ngayon wala nang tumira dito.
So troops, as we can all see, we already have a small amount of passengers riding. And after this, we're gonna head back to Agus so that we'd be our first round for the day. So keep watching and enjoy the view.
Dito mga katrops, napaka-presko ang hangin dito. Lakas, lalong lumakas ngayon. Makikita natin yung ibang mga tanawin sa dulo ng ating daanan.
And not only that, troops, you could be able to smell the fresh sheep from here. Look at my face.
Mga katrops, itong makikita ninyo, ito ang pinakamagandang tanawin dito sa Lapu-Lapu City. Kasi sa gabi ito may maraming mamamasyal dito.
So troops, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. We hope you enjoy this view that we showed you a while ago.
Mga katrops, sana matutuwa kayo sa video namin na maraming napakagandang tanawin dito. Iba ito sa dati namin ginagawa na binidyohan namin yung mga magandang tanawin. Ito bago na rin ito. Sana tutuwa kayo. Hanggang dito lang po yung video namin. God bless us all.